Hello there, welcome to another short Unity tutorial with me. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a line that connects from one position to another. So, let's begin. In here, I have a scene with pretty much nothing in it as usual. All I have here is a ground object, a couple cubes, and a camera with a directional light source. Now let's say I want to draw a line that connects these two cubes. We can do that using the Unity's line renderer. You can put your line renderer anywhere. I'm just going to put mine inside my camera. Now after I added a line renderer component to my camera, you can see a thick pink line that spawned in the middle there. You can adjust the settings like the color, material, and thickness there. Now I'm going to make a script that will set up the line positions. To do this, I'll first want to make a reference for the line renderer. Then I would want to make references for the two positions. I'm just going to call them pos1 and pos2. Then in the update function, we can call line.setPosition. For the first position, the index is going to be 0. And for the second one, the index is 1. In the start function, I'm going to set the position count to 2 just to make sure nothing bad happens. So now we can save this, and head back into Unity. Add the test script to the camera. And set up the references. Now if we go into play mode, there will be a line connecting these two cubes together. And if I move the cubes around, the line will update accordingly. Pretty neat. You can also do this with more points. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. I hope you will find this somewhat useful. And bye.